हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. You are watching PPT channel and I am with you, Sanjay Rampal. Then let us start today's session. Stay tuned for more solid news. Keep watching your own channel, PPT News. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe. मातृशक्ति उद्यमिता योजना effective in making women self-reliant. Under the scheme, provision of loan facility up to 3 lakh to eligible women. Matri-Shakti Udmita Yojana has been started by the Haryana government with the aim of making women self-reliant and improving their economic condition. Under this scheme, a provision has been made to provide loan up to 4 lakh rupees through banks. Earlier, this amount was 3 lakh rupees. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the scheme is being implemented through Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam. The scheme will prove to be very effective in making women empowered and self-reliant and will also improve their standard of living. Under the scheme, only those women will be eligible and will be able to avail the benefits who are permanent residents of Haryana and whose annual income is less than 4 lakh rupees. At the time of applying for the loan, the age of the woman entrepreneur should be between applicant should not be a defaulter of the loan taken earlier. Under the scheme, on timely payment of installments, 5% interest subsidy amount will be given by the government through Women Development Corporation for 3 years. Prescribed documents to avail the benefits of the scheme. The Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that to avail the benefits of the above scheme, the applicant will have to submit the prescribed documents along with the application. These documents include application form, ration card, family identity card, Aadhaar card, passport size photo, residential certificate, project report, training certificate, etc. and the applicant should have 2 copies of all the above documents. Loan will be available for these agencies. He said that in these activities under transport vehicle, auto rickshaw, small goods carrying vehicle, 3-wheeler, e-rickshaw, taxi, under social and personal service activities, saloon, beauty parlor, tailoring, boutique, photocopy shop, papad making, achar making, confectionery shop, food stall, ice cream making unit, biscuit making, tiffin service, earthen parts, etc. can be started. To avail the benefits of this scheme, interested eligible women can contact the office of Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan listened to problems in Janta Darbar and instructed to solve them. BJP Charkhi Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan held a Janta Darbar in his camp office on Monday. And after listening to the problems of the pupil, instructed the officials to solve their problems. The MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan asked the officials to tell the needs for their departments regarding Dadri Assembly constituency so that they can get them a place in the budget. During the Janta Darbar, people informed about the problems related to roads, water, electricity, health facilities, education system and public safety in the area. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan took the problems seriously and instructed the officials to contact them immediately and take immediate action. He said that the problems of the area will be solved on priority basis. At the same time, the closed scheme will be re-evicted, who also assured to the start the repair of dilapidated and construction of roads. Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that he has become an MLA and only because of the trust of the people. Now my first duty is to solve every problems of the area and write to new story of development. I will fulfill the trust of the people with full honesty and dedication. Under the Clean Toilet campaign, the girl students were made aware. As per the instructions of Municipal Commissioner and Additional Deputy Commissioner Viswajit Chaudhary, an awareness camp was organized by the Municipal Council in Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Charkhi Dadri. Under the Clean Toilet campaign, District Elementary Education Officer Naveen Nar attended the program as the chief guest and taught cleanliness lessons to the students. The district elementary education officer said that toilets are a part of our life, daily life, and they are useful to us every day. Therefore, it is our duty to keep our toilets clean. Therefore, it is our duty to keep our toilets clean, just as we take special care of the cleanliness of toilets at our home. In the same way, we should also take care of the toilets of our institution. Jyoti Sharma, in charge of Swachh Bharat Mission from the Municipal Council, said that the objective of the Clean Toilet campaign is to motivate the city dwellers to keep the toilets clean. Our Toilet, Our Respect campaign has been started from November 11 and will include on the occasion of Good Governance Day on December. While making the students aware about personal hygiene, he said that this campaign will link cleanliness to human rights and the global need for dignity and privacy, especially for women and girls, on which the safety on women especially depends. Jyoti Sharma gave details information to the students about various activities like clean toilets, solid waste management, e-waste, wet and dry waste, community toilets, reduce, reuse, recycle आदि being carried out by the municipal council under Swachh Survey 2024. Principal Rampal Yadav said that the students will not have any problem related to toilets and cleanliness will be taken care of, especially in the campus. So friends, this was our important and special news for today. We will meet again tomorrow with new news. Till then, take care of yourself. You will be safe. Now allow me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care.